This is Professor Derek Sykes. This video shows how to use Microsoft Excel to calculate a probability for a geometric distribution. The input, the blue cells here, you have to enter the value of X, which is the trial number of the first success. In this case, on the fourth trial will be the first success. The probability of success has to be entered, in this case, 75%. The probability of failure is calculated for you, 1 minus p. And then the formula for the probability using the geometric distribution is right here, and you get this result. An alternative way to get it is using a built-in Excel formula right here that gives the same result.